Hi, welcome to Gansu Sea Talk. Today, we are very glad to invite Mr. Fabien Azi, Executive Director of ARaymond China, as our guest. Founded in France in 1865, ARaymond has a history of nearly 160 years and has been in the China market for almost 3 decades. ARaymond now has become one of the global leaders in fastening and fluid assembly systems for the automotive, energy, agriculture, and healthcare markets. In the automotive sector, ARaymond provides solutions such as fastening systems, quick connectors, fluid handling, thermal management systems, washer nozzles, and cleaning systems for ADAS. The company is dedicated to offering comprehensive life-cycle development and services for vehicle fastening and fluid assembly systems, aiming to become the preferred innovative partner for the global OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers, empowering the future of mobility. Mr. Fabien Azi has extensive professional experience. Before joining ARaymond, he served as the president of the Asia Pacific region and group vice president at the automotive lighting supplier Hollyphone for 13 years. Additionally, he once served as deputy general manager at the truck tire company Premier. As a result, Mr. Azi has deep insights and understanding about the automotive industry. Today, we will have a conversation with Mr. Azi about the latest development and the challenges in the automotive industry, ARaymond's auto products and business transformations. As we all know, ARaymond actually covers a very wide range in different industries. So can you give us a brief introduction about the company, especially in automotive industry?
So ARaymond has a long history in the automotive industry. It's a family company with 160 years old. In automotive industry, in fact, and in general, ARaymond is a specialist for providing assembly solution without tools. So it's a very say innovative and practical solution, which bring a lot of advantages for our customers.
You have been lived and worked in China for more than 20 years.
Yes.
That's really long. What's the feeling about the journey?
Well, the journey was a very great adventure for me because I could be the witness of this China success, this Chinese growth, evolution, and I could even be an actor of it through my work developing a company in this country, and it was every day a challenge, but bring me a lot of happiness because I am a man of challenge.
When you look back, these 2 decades, more than 2 years, what kind of summary you can make during this process?
In fact, yes, we have a real transformation. It was a dominance of GVs between foreign and Chinese company, and we could see the evolution of the market and the last revolution with the Chinese OEM gambling on the EV instead of going to the fuel industry, and I think it was a very good move, not only for the business but also for the environmental protection, which is important for the country and the world.
Yeah. What kind of car you are driving by yourself?
I drive a Chinese car, EV, a full EV car. Yeah.
How's the driving experience you feel?
It's very good experience. It's quiet, full option, and also a very high level of autonomy, which bring more pleasure when you drive the car.
Yeah, and you also have a Chinese name.
Yes, which is 龙天宇.
龙哥.
Yes, this is linked with my Chinese sign, and yes, it's a very powerful name, and it's very difficult to carry this name. So I have the responsibility to succeed through this name.
Yeah. When we talk about the automotive industry, we see that the fierce competition in the market, in the end market, actually has a very strong impact also in the supply chain. Do you have kind of pressure right now?
Yes, like every automotive suppliers, we feel high pressure. Yes, a fierce competition on the automotive market, especially in China. Mm-hmm. We are speaking about not a Red Sea, but a Blue Sea. Mm-hmm. And what we try to do is, of course, to optimize our cost. We have to chase any waste in the company and put in place a very efficient organization, very efficient way of production, very efficient way of purchasing to be able to offer competitive price to our customers, but without compromising on quality, because quality is what we can bring to our customer and is what the customer needs out of the price, and also we want to offer a very and perfect service to them. Out of price, quality and service, innovative solution is it's also necessary to be able to fight in this environment, because our customer, they have to offer products with a competitive price, but they also have to differentiate themselves compared to the other competitors, and for this they have to innovate, and is also one factor that we have to bring to survive in this fierce competition environment. Also, we bring solutions to permit them to reduce their own cost by bringing a solution which is easy to assembly, fast to assembly, and then they can improve their efficiency and obviously reduce their production costs.
So you emphasize the cost reduction, also the efficiency improvement,
yes,
but with the priority of the safety, quality.
We put yes, this safety and quality in front of everything. We cannot compromise on it, because behind that we have people who will use the product, and since we care of people, so we cannot compromise on it.
Totally agree. I think the faster development of the industry, of course, has an advantage, but we also should respect the safety, the quality of all the products.
Sure, this is our first priority, and ARaymond is recognized all over the world, including China, for their quality, service, and innovation.
Another phenomenon we notice that the mega trend of the electrification and the intelligent driving actually developed really fast, especially in China. What kind of impacts it has raised to the traditional auto parts company?
Yes, there's a lot of impact. Yes, we have to adapt, we have to transform ourselves, like the industry is transforming itself. So Chinese player, Chinese OEM has evolved very rapidly and very quickly impose a dominance on the Chinese market and try to have a dominance, to impose a dominance around the world. Now they are the most advanced on the electric car solution and battery pack solution. So to be able to adapt ourselves, we have to change our organization. We have the challenge to first to bring a new offer, and to be able to do that, we have to innovate. But innovate where? Not in European country. We have to have local innovation in here to be able to be close to the customer, to understand his needs, and to have the necessary speed to be able to follow by the speed of the evolution of the technology which is happening in China. I was speaking about organization. We have to put in place, we have to transform our organization by putting in place some teams dedicated to this new technology, which is EV technology, which is bringing a challenge because with less components, so with less space for suppliers. This team can bring us the customer needs, and then we can and pain points, and then we can be able to offer adapted product to this specific new market. So it brings us a lot of opportunities because we are not, as I say, we are not only strong on quality and service, but we are also strong on the innovation. So we could create new product dedicated to cooling system for the battery, new product for high voltage connection, also new opportunity in the infrastructure link with the EV car, which means battery storage, charging station, also quick swapping stations. It's and also it's an opportunity for us to reduce our carbon footprint, because we are being a supplier of electric cars, reduce our Scope 3 carbon footprint.
So I think this new trend actually bring opportunity.
Yes.
Opportunities as well as the challenges for the company. So you need to catch up.
Yes.
Open a new growing segment for the future.
Yes, we need to catch up. We need to be really agile, and if we have this agility, if we are able to answer to our customer needs by the organization we put in place, by the investment we put in place, and then we can be successful and be as well the actor of the success of our customers and the success of the country.
Let's talk about the product portfolio. First is the fasteners.
Yes.
We see fasteners are very widely used in various structures of a vehicle, but it's often be overlooked. So can you share with us your insights about the function and the value of the fasteners play in the car?
Yes, well, as I said, our fasteners are specific fasteners. They are not simple fasteners. They are assembly components which can be done without tools. And as I said, it permits to optimize the assembly process and then reduce the total cost of ownership by increasing the efficiency of the assembly at our customer side. It's also bring safety solution, and ARaymond, as I told you, doesn't compromise on quality and safety. And through our experience, we can avoid unforeseen issue. Those fasteners also minimize the vibration and noise, which is more and more important on electric cars. It's also enhances the end user experience. It permits a better life cycle with the possibility to recycle those components, with the possibility also to disassemble those components. And today ARaymond goes further, even further with an assembly solution with a mechanical structure. We propose also fluid and pneumatic media, high voltage solution. We propose also communication signal connectors, and even now we are working on we begin the full cleaning system for ADAS and automotive driving. We also, as I told you just before, we not only bring the components, but we are able to bring the machine for complex assembly, and be able to sell the customer the product plus the service. And all this thanks to our manufacturing capabilities we put in place in China, and also our innovation capabilities and capacities.
In order to quick response to the rapid development of the NEV, we noticed that ARaymond actually established a dedicated EV business unit.
Yes.
So far, what kind of achievements it has made?
We have great achievements. We had to understand what the customer needs and pain points on this new EV technology, and we have to follow them. So this team has to be very close to the customer, and then bring all the information to us on first what direction we have to go, and what product we could work using our know-how. We could propose to them to solve their pain point, and ever propose some innovative product to bring innovative solution to make them more efficient. And then behind this team we have our engineering team, who could create many solutions and many new products dedicated to AV, and is what has done our success, and is why ARaymond in China continue to grow during those last years, and even this year on mobility.
So it's a kind of a window department for the innovation between the customer hit point and the products.
Yes, it's very important to have the visibility to the trend, and then we can determine our own roadmap to be able to answer to these customers. Since the competition through price and innovation is very fierce, and we have to develop product very quickly.
Yeah.
And is what we have done, and I'm very proud to have very nice solution for this specific EV market.
We see the thermal management system actually play a really important role in the EV. So what's your point of view on the potentiality of the demand of the market, and what kind of technology ARaymond can bring to the market?
Yes, obviously the demand is very high, because each battery need a cooling system. Since EV batteries market is growing up very quickly in China and all over the world, then obviously this demand is high today and be even higher tomorrow. We need this cooling system because it's essential for the performance and the longevity of the battery, and it's essential for the safety of the car, and also for the safety of the occupant of the car. And it's even more essential with the increasing of the voltage and the charging speed, which need to be even more cooled down. So what we propose is a connector will connect all the cooling system, and so it's a key component. We don't only offer those connectors, but also offer innovative valve. We also offer integrated temperature sensors. That means it's integrated in the connectors, and this brings a big advantage, that instead of assembly a temperature sensor on your system and a connector, you will assemble only one component, and then you will gain in productivity, obviously.
The advancement of the autonomous driving system actually bring a higher requirements for the cleaning, especially for the sensors, for example, the LiDAR camera, ADAS sensors. So I think that you also have certain solution for the cleaning system.
Yes. As I say, EV growth bring new opportunities for us. And the autonomous driving technology, it's also bring new opportunities, it's new demand, and we have identified that our customer needs today cleaning system to ensure that those LiDAR, those cameras are clean, to ensure that the well functioning of those sensors, the safety of the car occupant. We had already an expertise on windshield and headlight cleaning system, and so we can use this expertise to bring this cleaning system to this new application. We are playing with different parameters, with the spray power, what we use, water and air, the spray angle, the temperature, the flow dynamics. Also, we keep optimizing through simulation and test bench those solutions in collaboration with our customer. So we define together the standard of tomorrow for this cleaning system. We have already begun to work with logistic autonomous vehicles and also autonomous taxi, and we are in discussion with other OEMs.
So you have to ensure the reliability and effectiveness of the cleaning system to ensure the safety of this autonomous driving system, right?
In fact, as I told you, we practice simulation and test on the bench, but also on the car to make sure this system will work each time and for a long time. And happily, we have this experience on the windshield and headlamps, which permit us to be able to guarantee it. But the reliability and the effectiveness is not the only need from the customer. He needs a rapid response cleaning, because if there is a problem, then if the sensor becomes dirty, we have to react very quickly, under 5 milliseconds. It also needs a very low water consumption, because the car has to be light, and then since the water will influence his weight and will influence his autonomy, then we have to find a solution to really save this water consumption. And also we have to save power as well, so we have to respond to those pain points. And it required high expertise on every component on this system.
As the world's largest market globally, China actually plays a really important role in automotive industry. So can you give us a brief introduction about the main layouts and your China strategy?
Yes, in fact, China is one of our biggest sales country. So it's very important, and our strategy in China is first to be localized. So we have a production base in Zhejiang, Jiangsu province. We have a sales network which covers all China in many cities to be close to our customer. And obviously we have to develop product dedicated to the Chinese need. So yes, our strategy is to be able to access to the largest automotive market, and also to access to the most advanced innovative ecosystem, which permit us to be advanced as well, if we win in China, in fact, we can win all over the world.
As you just mentioned, that localization is really a key to be success in China. What's the processing of the ARaymond localization plan here, and any best practice you can share with us?
In fact, localization means localization treats many aspects. First, we localized our products. Most of our products are localized to be able to bring the best service to our customer and to be able to, in any case, to guarantee their supply chain. It's already more than, let's say, 28 years that we work on this localization, and we have production capacities in Zhenjiang. We didn't only localize, as I say, the production, but also localize our innovation, and we will inaugurate beginning of next year our new innovation center building to be able to welcome even more engineers to work on the products of tomorrow. So we have also localized our management styles and values. We have a management style in ARaymond, but we have to adapt it to the locals, and so is why we communicate very closely and exchange closely with our staff. And even last year we have redefined our corporate value with our staff in China to adapt it to, I would say, to the local way of thinking, and to be more accepted. And we ask them a lot of feedbacks to be able to guarantee their well-being and their happiness in our company.
And I noticed that on the showroom, actually, you have a lot of patents.
Yes.
So you do a lot of investment in R&D in China right now?
Yes, it represents 6% of our turnover, which is quite high.
6%?
Yes.
Wow.
But it's necessary to follow our customer and to help them to expand themselves and to be able to provide innovative cars and at the same time cheaper cars.
Yeah. Will you leverage the R&D resource in China to global market, especially in EV sector?
Yes, in fact, it's essential for us to have this innovation center in China, because first we answer to the need of the Chinese market, but then we will answer to the needs to the world, because the Chinese market is the most advanced on battery pack and EVs. So since we work with in the most advanced ecosystem, then this advanced technology will spread in the world and will be ready to answer to these needs and to be able to bring innovative products all over the world.
We see that especially these 3 years, more and more Chinese OEMs actually they are passionate to go outside of China, especially in the smart EV. Any suggestions you can offer to them, or also what kind of capabilities ARaymond can enable your customers outside of China?
Yes, this is a very interesting question. In fact, it's good to work with ARaymond for those tiers and OEM if they want to expand their capacities on the world, because we have a world footprint, so we can accompany them to their expansion and be there in the country where they will implant their new factories to provide their car on this local market.
You already have footprint in 28 countries globally.
Yes.
Okay.
So we can provide service and produce components close to every customer in the world, and which include our actual Chinese customers.
During your customer portfolio, ARaymond actually served either the global company tiers, and also the local company and the tiers. Any difference right now between different customers?
In fact, the customers are very different according to the country, according to the nationality of the company. Especially Chinese customers are very different from, for example, French or German customers. They really need a cost-effective solution, but speed, because if we don't have speed, we are speaking about time to market, then we will lose. So for our Chinese customer, we have to bring a very high quality of service, high quality of products, and we have to bring innovation and above all speed.
Yeah, China now become a global hub of the electrification, digitalization, as well as the intelligent innovation. So from your point of view, what's the potentiality for the future about the China automotive market? And what's your expectation for the ARaymond in China, let's say, next 5 years?
You're right. We have really an accelerating electrification. Everybody can see it here. We have now a new dominance of Chinese OEM, and we need to offer them differentiation and more innovative solutions. The car has to be convenient and bring safe travel experience. He has to bring higher quality, higher standard, personalized configuration. So for our next 5 years, we want to keep a strongest momentum in China. We want to expand our market share through our constant service and quality, and also through the strengths of our R&D and innovation capabilities to bring exactly to our customer their future needs at the right speed. We want also to diversify, to mitigate the risk. We want to bring not only components but assembled solutions, subsystem. We want also to improve our sustainable development, focus on the environment, CSR, and eco-design.
Yeah, actually, ARaymond is very special because it's a family-owned company with 160 years. Next year, yeah, will be 160 years.
Yes.
With the 6th generation of the family inheritance. So what's the culture of the company? How it affects in your daily routine operation of the company?
What we believe is that what makes a company is his people. So we are human-centered management, prioritizing employee well-being. And we have a special way of management which we call servant leadership, where we empowered the employee, where we build trust and involve them in our strategic decision making. I am myself as a leader, a servant leader, so I prioritize their success. I am here to help them to succeed, and if I help them to succeed, then the company will succeed. I'm not here to give order, top-down decision. We build the company future all together. We have a corporate values which has been defined by the family, but not only by all the employees in the company, and including, as I say, China. So we can even better understand our company culture through our values. And the first of our company value is respect. This is fundamental for us and extremely important. We believe in treating everyone with respect and care. It's not only respect of people, but it's also respect of our planet. The second value is collaboration. Supporting and being supported is essential for achieving our goal efficiently. Mm-hmm. Then it's value creation. This is what our customers seek and will purchase from us. Of course, innovation. We encourage in our company curiosity, thinking out of the box, and giving freedom to creativity for everyone. It's also entrepreneurship. We look forward, embrace adventure, and empower our team to believe in their ideas. And the last one is pleasure. We want that everyone feel happy to come and work in our company.
Happy work, happy life.
Exactly.
There is a special management philosophy in the corporate culture is a servant leadership.
Yes.
Can you give us a detail about this concept, how it affects in the daily routine management of the team?
So the servant leadership is for ARaymond our management way. It is taking care, it is dialogue, delegating, encouraging, trust, and listening. The servant leader is here to help the employee to succeed, and his success will guarantee the success of the company.
There is also a question about your culture. I noticed that happiness, pleasure is one of the core values of your company. Why pleasure is so important?
It's important for everybody. It's important for me to be happy to go to work in a good environment, but to be happy during most of the time we spend, in fact, in our life, because we spend most of our time in the company. So if we are happy in the company, then you have obviously an happy life, and it's important for everyone, and also it's improved the efficiency of everybody. In fact, when you are happy, then you are productive, you are more creative, you have the opportunity to exchange more. You have no frustrations, and above all with our way of management, our culture, our values. Then you are not afraid to speak, and then all new ideas are welcome, and all the new initiatives are very welcome. So if you think out of the box is very welcome as well. And to achieve that, you have to be very relaxed, feel very well working in this company.
Sustainable development also important for the company, and it's one of the ARaymond's core culture. So, and what kind of initiative you're taking in the sustainable development?
So the sustainable development and the protection of our environment is very important for ARaymond. It's influence each day decision, and of course in our business development plan it's very important factor, and we have many initiatives. So first, obviously we want to measure our carbon footprint. So since 2021 we measure it, and despite our growth we decrease by 5% our carbon footprint in 2022. And we target to decrease it by 33% by 2030. It's also reducing our emissions through different action. So on the operation, we want to optimize our energy consumption, optimize our transport, and even use eco-transport, optimize our packaging, logistics flow, put in place solar panels, purchase green energy, decrease our waste, and it's also a strategy of localization of our suppliers. On the product, it's about eco-design with using organic and or recycled material, offer weight reduction products or weight reduction solutions, which can be reused and easily disassembled. It's also to promote environmental solutions to our customers.
What's your long-term goal and plans in future?
So our long-term goals by 2030 is to reduce our carbon emission, including all the scopes 1, 2, 3, by 33%. And it's also to use at least 90% of fossil-free energy.
You know, otherwise, when you compete with the local suppliers, you will also face the same challenge. The customer will ask you the same question.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Exactly. Yeah. So we have a great advantage. In fact, our advantage is our reputation. It's also our know-how. It's also our service and the quality and our innovation capacities. And this we can bring it to our Chinese customer by localizing our production, localizing our innovation, not only on the product but on the process, to be able to bring competitive price for our customer and to be able to bring product which answer to their pain points.
Okay. Anything you want to say to your team here?
What I want to say to my team is I'm proud of them. They achieve a very good job. We are doing great things. I think we can be a role model for our whole world network. And I can say that I love them.
Anything you want to say to your customers?
To my customers, yes, we'll be always there to help them, to find the best solution for them, and we can together co-develop and prepare our common future.
What's your New Year's wish for next year?
My New Year's wish is to keep this growth momentum for ARaymond. I'm proud to say, and it's thanks to each people of this company that we are quite successful in this environment, thanks to our strategy and culture. So I hope to continue to grow, continue to diversify, continue to bring more and more satisfaction to our customer, and to improve also our people well-being.
Wow, make it happen.
Sure, we will do it.